Two young deer right over there. I don't see their mother. Pretty skittish. Of course, they just keep moving away, but you never can tell. They are wild animals. And if their mother decides to come up behind me, might not be so nice. The only thing I have on me is my buck knife. I don't think they're that young. The closer I get, at least they don't have horns. You can see that one right there. Wondering if you can actually see it on this video, because I can't see it. Yeah, they just got their backs to me, ignoring me as I talk and walk by. They know I'm over here. Oh, that one turned and looked when I scraped the leaf. Man, look at all these colors. The state park is just beautiful. This is like the center of maybe 15 trails that come together over about 200,000 acres of state parks, I believe, that are connected together all in this lower Michigan area. This is basically, where I live. Just hang out in state parks and climb trees. That one looks like a good one. Double split, probably. So here is this map of this entire area. I'll see if I can discover 30-mile radius of Waterloo campgrounds. So somewhere on here I read or something, 11,000 acre patchwork of lakes. So that's and 10,000 acres open to hunting. So there's like 21,000 acres of land in this area right here. Yeah, this is a concession stand and the bathrooms are in there. So when the beach is open and all the people come, they can get snacks and cold drinks and, the story. So yeah, I mean, look at those trees, man. Those colors. Wow. That's just like gorgeous. Of course, this is a beautiful view, but it is pale in comparison to the views from my tree climbing. So I thought I'd just do something, laid back, and I've been thinking about going to a cemetery at night. Yeah, making a video for ghost hunting experience. So if anybody who watches would like to see that, let me know. in the comments down below, and I will do that this weekend, I think. Gonna do it anyways, but yeah, so it's just a heads up. But yeah.